Hey Sparkle Kitties, I am Kobe, let's go meet my farm friends.
Down on Farmer Jack's big land, animals play and walk so grand. Let's take a trip and say hello to every friend we get to know. The pig is rolling in the hay. She oinks, oinks all through the day, with a snort and a wiggle and a muddy giggle. The pig just loves to play. The turkey struts with feathers wide. He gobbles loud with so much pride. With a wobble, wobble, flap, and struts, he shakes his tail and struts his stuff. The rabbit hops around so quick, with floppy ears and bunny tricks. He thumps, thumps soft and hops along, nibbling grass and singing a song. The chicken clucks and flaps her wings. She pecks and scratches and softly sings, with a cluck, cluck here and a bok, bok there. She lays her eggs with the greatest care. The cow says moo and chews all day. She grazes in a calm, slow way, with a swish of her tail and a gentle move. She makes fresh milk for me and you. The sheep says bar and roams the hill. Her woolly coat keeps out the chill, with a bounce in a barn a leap so sweet. She dances with her little feet. The horse goes neigh and runs so free across the fields, so happy. With a stomp and a whinny and a strong hoofbeat, he gallops fast on sturdy feet. The duck says quack and splashes round. She waddles gently on the ground, with a flap and a quack and a dip in the pond. She paddles happily all day long. The goat goes on and loves to climb. On a rocky hill she takes her time, with a jump and a bleat and a playful nod. She's the silliest one on Farmer's side. The dog says woof and guards the gate. He wags his tail and stays up late, with a bark and a zoom and a friendly call. He's the best farm friend you ever saw. So many friends on Farmer Jack's land, each with a voice so old and grand. From bark, from quack to woof, they sing their song beneath the roof. Come sing along, come take my hand. Sing along, my friends on Farmer Jack's land.
If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel at Sparkle Kitties for more content like this. See you next time. Bye! Watch out for our next video on learning good manners with Manny the Manners Monkey.